Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's very festive. My family and I are going to my aunt and uncle's house tonight for like a little Christmas get together, so I had to be festive. Also guys, I just wanted to mention in this video that if you've noticed that I've not been keeping up with the FYI Friday videos, there's a reason. I don't think I'm going to continue doing FYI Fridays every single Friday because honestly, they don't really get much engagement on them. They don't get very many likes, to be honest. I like doing them, but I can't justify doing them every single Friday. So what I might do is I might just do them randomly on Fridays. So just keep your eye out for them. So yeah. Okay guys, so if you want to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned. Look at this adorable mug my coworker got me. Isn't it so cute? I love the size of it. Got little Christmas cactuses. Alright, let's get started. I look insane right now. Look like a freaking Christmas crackhead or something. Alright, let's start this. Oh, I already primed my eye with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer as per usual. So now on my Cala 415 brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Canvas in the Morphe and James Charles palette. This one right here. And I'm gonna use that one as my transition shade. I hope my speaker isn't like blasting you guys away right now with Christmas music, but I needed Christmas music for this look. What's everybody doing for the holidays? Or what did everybody do for the holidays? I wanna hear all about your experiences and all of your fun stuff that happened. So comment down below and tell me all about your holiday. So I'm buffing this like under my eye also, just cause I want a transition shade under there too. Alright, and then on my Morphe M535 brush right here, I'm gonna grab, that was like mega country. I'm gonna grab some of the shade Rusted in the Morphe and James Charles palette, which is that one right there. It's like the lighter red, and I'm gonna kind of buff that one a little bit below where I put that transition shade. The country side of me just came out. That was bad. I make sure to get it like pretty high up on the inside portion just so that we have enough eyeshadow to work with for the cut crease. And I'm gonna kind of like form this into this kind of winged out shape right here. I kind of wanted to stick to this whole like pointy shape here. And I'm just gonna backtrack to Canvas and just kind of blend the top of that out a little bit here. Alright, so then next I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, which is just this little guy right here, and I'm going to take the shade You're Kidding, which is the bright red shade, which is that one right there. And I'm going to kind of lay that one down a little bit below where we just put Rusted. And I'm going to kind of keep my eyes open so that I can put it like right where like the cut crease is going to be, just because I don't want to like close my eye and then have it not in the right place. You know what I want to know, guys? If you have like a funny Christmas story, like something funny that happened to you one year, comment it down below. I want to read your funny Christmas stories because I'm about to share a good one with you. So I'm sure there's like probably endless just funny stories with my family because we're just a bunch of insane people. But we have a home video of me when I was like probably about my little sister's age. She's like 5 right now. And I'm like, we had like a real Christmas tree. One of the only years we've ever had a real Christmas tree. We always just have like the big old fake ones, which are gorgeous, but whatever. And I'm sitting there like on camera. My mom's filming me and I'm trimming the tree. I'm like, I have like pliers or something and I'm just like clipping at one of the branches, you know, just being cute, whatever. And then suddenly in the video, all you see is the freaking tree just starts like moving a little bit, just a little smidge, and just starts leaning, and then suddenly it just freaking collapses on top of me. My mom drops the camera, so all you see is just like motion everywhere, and then you hear my screams, my freaking blood-curdling screams in the background. I was fine. It was just a Christmas tree. It's not like a freaking house fell on me, but it was hilarious, honestly, to rewatch the video because it's just like chaos. Immediate chaos. So please share your funny Christmas stories with me because I want to read them. And I'm gonna keep to this kind of winged out shape right here. Hey there, who's this? Hi, Binks.
What you doing, buddy?
My cat came to visit me. Also guys, let me know if the lighting and stuff is better in this video for some reason, because I have some little like DIY light diffusers right here, so I'm like trying to kind of like play with that a little bit. So let me know if anything looks different or better, worse, whatever. Okay, so then I'm going to switch over to my Japonesque 230 brush right here, and I'm just going to take more of that You're Kidding shade, and I'm just going to pack that onto this outer half of my lid here. Okay, so then I'm going to take just a little bit of the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. It doesn't have to be that. I'm just using that one for the cut crease. And I'm going to take my Morphe B10 little brush. I can't speak today. Little brush right here, and I'm going to use this one to cut the crease. And once I cut the crease, I'm just going to kind of coat the inner half of my lid in that concealer just to cancel out any of that red eyeshadow that got on there. Alright, so then after I lay that down, I'm gonna make sure that as I'm going, I'm like smoothing out these lines because I don't want to set those. But once I do that, I'm going to pat some of the shade Flashback over top, which is just this really bright white color right here. And after I smooth out those lines, I'm just going to keep my eye closed so that they don't come back. I can honestly say that this one shade, this Flashback shade, is not my favorite in the palette. I've not found any problems with any of the other ones that I've used, but this is the one that, like, I don't know, I feel like it kind of is patchy when you put it on, and it's not just this one time, like I've used it other times and it's kind of come out a little bit patchy, which is fine. I feel like white is kind of a difficult color for people to make like work. I don't know. I feel like I never really have good luck with white eyeshadows unless they have like shimmer in them. I remember when my sister was really young and she tried to sing Feliz Navidad, and every time she'd sing it, she would go, Feliz Da-dee-da. And it was the best. It's the best version of this song. See, like, look at that. You see how patchy that is? I don't like it. It's annoying. But I mean, for a palette of 39 eyeshadows, for only one of them to not be my favorite, that's pretty darn good. Still absolutely love the palette. Oh, look at that. Number 936241070 said, I win. You ranked 6th out of 30,000 contestants. Wow, get my extraordinary present. Receive it instantly at this link. That's not sketchy. And then after I lay that white down, I'm just gonna go back in with that You're Kidding, the red shade, on my Japonesque 230, and I'm just going to kind of like pat it along this line just to help blend the white into the red. Guys, guess what? The other day, my mom and I went for a walk after we dropped my sister off for school, and as we were on our walk, we found this little, well, not little, it was quite large, this big old chocolate lab. He was running around by himself. He didn't have a collar on, and he was like running in the middle of the road, like when cars were coming. So we like wrangled him basically, and kind of like held him to the side with like this other lady who was walking her dog, and we were able to like call people and they were able to come pick him up and everything. But he was so sweet. Oh my goodness, he was adorable, and we were so afraid that he was gonna get hit by a car. But it turns out the animal control got him, and they were just holding him over there, and literally like 30 minutes after they got the dog to the place, the lady that owns him called and came and picked him up. So everything worked out in the end. Apparently like her door didn't close all the way and he ended up sneaking out, but he was so sweet. Oh my goodness. My mom and I always have like the craziest of adventures together, I swear. I'm gonna tap more white on this other eye because I feel like it's more pigmented over here. Alright, so then on my little like angled Glam Beauty brush right here, this is about to stop. So I'm going to take more of that You're Kidding shade, and I'm just going to run that right along the cut crease just to kind of make it pop a little bit more. So now on my Morphe MB47 brush right here, I'm going to take the shade Daddy, which is the dark green, that one right there. And I'm gonna run that one along my lower lash line, and I'm gonna kind of like form this little winged out spot here. Alright, so then after that is laid down, I'm going to take my Morphe M560 brush, and I'm going to grab the shade Social Blade, which is the bright green. That one right there. And I'm just going to buff that color out along the lower lash line. And I'm not going to go all the way up to the lash line, just because I still want that dark green to somewhat show. What are you doing, psycho? I swear this cat burst through my door just because he knows I don't want the door open. What are you doing? Freaking psychopath. Alright, so then after that's down, I'm going to take my my NYX Liquid Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Fire. It's just the red one. And I'm going to go ahead and form the wing. Okay, so then after I do the liner, I'm just going to take a simple makeup wipe and clean up any like fallout or anything. And I am going to sharpen up this outer corner here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put on my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara and my other Ardell 253 lash. Okay, lashes are done. Let me go ahead and fix this and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look right here. I also added a little bit of the shade Ring Light to my inner corner and brow bone of my eyes just to kind of brighten up my eyes. And I also popped on my lips the MAC Dazzleglass in the shade Dressed to Dazzle, because today we are dressed to dazzle, obviously. Alrighty guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas and very happy holidays and an awesome new year if I don't film before then. Alright guys, have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!